A black hole can contain the mass of millions of suns, packed into a region smaller than a city. And once something crosses its boundary, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape. Right now, there is a supermassive black hole sitting at the center of almost every major galaxy in existence, including our own Milky Way. Scientists believe some of them control the growth of entire galaxies. A black hole is not a giant vacuum cleaner floating through space swallowing everything around it. That is one of the biggest misconceptions about them. If the Sun were magically replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would still orbit it almost exactly the same way. The difference is that there would be no sunlight, and life on Earth would collapse into darkness and freezing temperatures. So what exactly is a black hole? A black hole forms when an extremely massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. Normally, stars survive because the outward pressure from nuclear fusion balances the inward pull of gravity. But once fusion stops, gravity wins. The core collapses so violently that matter gets compressed into an unbelievably tiny space. The gravity becomes so powerful that escape becomes impossible beyond a boundary called the event horizon. The event horizon is often called the point of no return. Anything crossing it disappears from the observable universe forever. Not even light can escape, which is why black holes appear completely dark. But black holes are not empty holes in space. They are regions where matter has been crushed into extreme density. Some scientists believe the center contains a singularity, a point where gravity becomes effectively infinite and the known laws of physics break down completely. This is where things become disturbing. Time itself behaves differently near a black hole. According to Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, stronger gravity slows down time. Near a black hole, this effect becomes extreme. If a person somehow survived close to the edge of a black hole, time for them would move slower compared to someone far away in space. In theory, a few hours near a black hole could equal years somewhere else. Scientists have actually observed this effect indirectly. Clocks closer to stronger gravity really do tick slower. GPS satellites around Earth even need constant corrections because time moves slightly faster for them than for people on the ground. Now imagine that effect multiplied to terrifying levels near a black hole. Black holes also distort space itself. Their gravity bends light around them, creating strange visual effects called gravitational lensing. Some black holes are surrounded by glowing disks of superheated gas moving close to the speed of light. These disks can become brighter than entire galaxies. In 2019, humanity captured the first ever image of a black hole using the Event Horizon Telescope project. The image showed the supermassive black hole at the center of galaxy M87, located about 55 million light-years away. In 2022, scientists released the first image of Sagittarius A, the black hole at the center of the Milky Way. These discoveries confirm decades of predictions about black holes. And the sizes of these objects are almost impossible to comprehend. Some stellar black holes are only a few times heavier than the Sun. But supermassive black holes can contain millions or even billions of solar masses. The black hole in the center of the Milky Way, Sagittarius A, has a mass estimated at about 4 million suns. Meanwhile, some newly discovered black holes are far larger. Astronomers have identified ultramassive black holes containing over 30 billion times the mass of the Sun. But black holes may not just destroy things. Some scientists believe they helped shape galaxies in the early universe. Others suspect they could play a role in understanding dark matter, quantum physics, and even the origin of the universe itself. And then there is Hawking radiation, one of the strangest theories ever proposed. Physicist Stephen Hawking predicted that black holes are not completely black. Over enormous periods of time, they may slowly leak energy and eventually evaporate. This idea connected gravity, quantum mechanics, and thermodynamics in ways scientists are still trying to fully understand today. The terrifying truth is that black holes are not rare cosmic accidents. Astronomers now believe the universe could contain millions or even billions of them. Some are wandering silently through empty space right now. Invisible. Undetectable unless they interact with nearby stars or gas. And somewhere out there, two black holes may be colliding at this very moment, releasing gravitational waves powerful enough to ripple across the fabric of space-time itself. The universe hides monsters that can bend time, trap light, and possibly rewrite the laws of physics. Follow for more mysteries hidden in space. If humanity eventually learns how to control the physics around black holes, would that become the greatest scientific breakthrough in history, or the most dangerous one?